Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix too many attempts login error on Deliveroo. First, stop trying to log in and wait 15 to 30 minutes. This allows Deliveroo to reset your login attempts. After waiting, double-check that you're entering the correct email and password. If the error continues, uninstall and reinstall the Deliveroo app. This can clear temporary glitches. Next, make sure the app is updated to the latest version from your app store. You can also restart your phone to refresh the system. If nothing works, contact Deliveroo customer support for help. And that's it. That's how to fix too many attempts login error on Deliveroo. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.